There is a reason over 50% of pressure pumping companies in the world have made the switch to UTEX XLH SUPERGOLD Well Service Packing. It outperforms everything else in the market and it saves money. Designed to handle the most extreme frac applications in operation, the XLH SUPERGOLD has proven to last longer, reduce maintenance cost, and help prevent downtime, which is why more companies are making the switch every day. The performance of our packing is powered by our patented extended life header ring and SUPERGOLD pressure rings. The XLH header ring is the first and only fabric reinforced header ring in the world. It's manufactured with our proprietary fabric blend and molding process for unmatched durability. This patented technology reduces nibbling, volume loss, and washboarding, while the SUPERGOLD pressure rings are made from a self-mending fabric reinforced composite elastomer. When leaks begin, the unique fabric reinforced design self-mends under pressure, allowing the packing to resist leak damage and prevent catastrophic failure, unlike traditional materials. Other improvements include a lantern ring designed to promote maximum lubrication to the engineered soft rings, and a UTEX exclusive secondary wiper seal that prevents leaks while reinforcing the lubrication in the packing set. The UTEX XLH SUPERGOLD WSP assembly is simply the most superior product in the market. It outperforms the competition and the harshest environments. It is customizable and configurable to work in any pumping service application, and it's easy to install. But most importantly, it will save you time and money. To learn more about how the XLH SUPERGOLD Well Service Packing can benefit your company, contact UTEX today.